Sorry if it feels like I'm out of it. I'm really fucked up. Disappearing some people who give me nothing but love. Sorry if I owe you apologies. I'm a little burned up. Disappointing some people who give me nothing but love. I'm such a mess. How could I? I'm just counting out, maybe I was right, having trouble believing that I could be a good guy. But the past still got to my time. Easy now, but still wouldn't make it right. Now the best I can do is just stay alive. I'm such a mess. I'm such a I'll be sorry till I'm done. Even when the rain starts, I can feel it fall.